Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this key fob. This is out of a G70. First and foremost, you're going to need one of the 2032 batteries. You can get these off Amazon for just a few dollars. I've put a link below in the description. I'm also going to be using a small Phillips head. This one is a PH0. I'm also going to be using just a small flat tip. This doesn't necessarily need to be a specific size. And I also have a plastic guitar pick. So I'm going to use the plastic guitar pick, and you could really use a flat tip screwdriver here, just less risk of damaging the casing. And just, there's two little tabs right here, just insert it here, give it a twist, give it a twist. Alright, now you have access to your emergency key, as well as this is where the battery is housed. There's two small Phillips head screws, which I've already removed, save some time. So just go ahead and pull this out. Kind of comes up and out, and then take your flat tip screwdriver, just give that a little pry right there. So take out your old battery, the new one goes in just like that, and then this piece you kind of want to work in this tab in first. Replace your two Phillips head screws, give this a good squeeze, and then you can test right here. Make sure you got your red light, and you're back in business. Hope that was helpful. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.